Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make Tsofi. Okay, so basically Tsofi is fried turkey. Normally the meat around the tail area is used for making the Tsofi, but it's very fatty, so I am going to use the turkey wings and thighs. Let's get down to business. I will begin with the preparation of the spice mixture. I have ginger, onions, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and giant marconi pepper. So at this point, we are going to blend everything. Add aniseed, rosemary, and a little bit of water. And I'm ready to blend. So I have my turkey wings and thighs here. It's all washed. Add a little bit of salt, all pepper seasoning, and this is our spice blend mixture. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. Okay, now we are going to marinate everything. Just mix everything all together. Make sure you coat every meat. I'm going to cover it and let it sit in the fridge overnight. So that by the time I'm ready to fry it, all the spices would have infused into the meat. Okay, so I'll leave this in the fridge overnight. It's time to fry our turkey wings and thighs, and I am going to use sunflower oil to fry the turkey. So to make sure the oil is hot enough, I drop in some sliced onions, and when it rises to the surface and crackling and sizzling, then I know that the oil is hot enough. So turkey wings and thighs can be grilled, boiled, and you can use it to make soups as well. So make sure you keep stirring to avoid burning. So while the turkey is frying, I'm going to prepare the chili base for the turkey. I have crushed pepper here. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and shake the bowl to mix everything together. So when the turkey is ready, I am going to drop it in this chili mix, and then I'll toss it. I'll show it to you when the turkey is ready. So like I said, make sure you keep stirring to avoid the turkey wings and thighs burning. Tsofi is a popular Ghanaian delicacy and it is so delicious. So I'm going to fry this till it's golden brown. And voila! Our turkey wings and thighs is ready. Our trophy is ready. Bring your plate, everyone. Come join me. Let's eat together. Okay? So at this point, I'm going to coat the fried turkey with chili base. I do this by tossing the fried turkey in crushed chili, like so. See how beautiful it looks? I have brushed off most of the crushed chili seed as I do not like biting into them. But some people love it though. It's only preference. Some want it chili, some want it without chili. So it basically depends on what you want. Okay? Look how beautiful it is. So this turkey is without any pepper and this one is with pepper. So it depends on how you want it. But basically when I'm eating, I normally take out the seed off. Now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And with this trophy, you can serve it with anything, fried yam, jollof rice, kenke. You can eat it like that as well. Until the next video, bye for now.